How to change Gmail name in iPhone. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like. And yeah, let's just get started. It's super easy. All you pretty much want to do is go to Gmail. Then on the top right corner, you want to click on your profile picture. Here, you want to make sure that you're signed into the correct Gmail account. Then here you can see manage your Google account. That's where you want to click on. Once this loads up, you want to simply go to personal info. And then here you can already see your name above your birthday and under your profile picture. So you want to click on there. And here we can now change our name. So at the top, we can see the name. And then at the bottom, we can also see a nickname. And here you can also see who can see your name. Anyone can see this information when they communicate with you or view content that you create in Google services. So that's what you want to keep in mind. But here at the top, you just want to click on this pen icon. And here you can change your name to whatever you like. So that's how to change Gmail name in iPhone.